Hi, today we're just going to have a quick chat about a range of Lucas headlamps. Starting off with one of the earliest ones we sell, which is the BPF, which stands for British Pre-Focus. This was a type of headlight that had a separate bulb, something like that, which just slotted in there, and then a bulb holder on. These were used up until about 1963, although certain applications they did go on quite a bit longer. The light output wasn't brilliant. In about 63, Lucas decided to go for an all-in-one unit, which they called the sealed beam. So it didn't have a separate bulb, it was basically a big bulb. Light output was better. This one's a 60-55 watt, giving a okay light. They also did a couple of high-powered versions. These were then used on the majority of cars up till about 72, 73, when the H4 bulb was invented. So Lucas then went back to a bulb style headlight, the H4, which used never touch the globe on the H4, that style of bulb. Then there was a big upgrade. These were much better than everything that preceded it. Again, still only 60-55 watts, but the actual light output was far superior. There's a range of bulbs which can up the wattage right up to 100, 130 watts if you want, although watch the legalities for driving on the road with them. All of these were available in right and left hand drive, so for the use in the UK and on the continent. We've still got sealed beams and H4s in both right and left hand drive, although the British Pre-Focus one, the early one, we can only now do in right hand drive. All again are available with or without a side light. Even the seal beam. On the seal beam you have a little window there where a bulb just hangs down behind it and just shines through the window. Those ones I've shown you there are the 7-inch light units. We also do a whole range of 5 3/4 light units. Again, the Lucas seal beam is available in right and left hand drive. You can get a main and dip beam, and then you can also get just a main beam. So when you're using a 4 headlight system, the 2 in the centre will just be a main beam only. The British Pre-Focus one we can't get in a 5 3/4 now, so you've only got your range of seal beams and your H4s. To complement all that, we do all of the fittings. We do a range of back shells in either metal or plastic. This one here is known as a 2 adjuster back shell, which came in with the seal beams. Before that, back shells were 3 adjuster. We do them all, and we also do the different wiring harnesses. This specific one here will either fit an H4 bulb or the Lucas seal beam. On our website holden.co.uk, the full range is available for you to see.